Are people telling you that your business emails are constantly landing in their spam folders? The reason is almost always two missing settings, SPF and DKIM. Let's fix that today. We're going to start with SPF because it's the first thing the receiving email server will check. Go to your DNS provider. This is wherever you pay your annual domain fee or host your website. From your DNS settings, look at your existing records carefully. If you already see a row that starts with V equals SPF1, maybe because you're using Shopify or MailChimp, do not create a new one. You'll just edit the record to insert the Google portion before the tilde-all sign. So it will look like this. If you don't see an SPF record, then click Add New Record. Select Text for the type of record. In the name or host section, just type the @ symbol. In the value, you're going to put this exact phrase, and you can copy and paste it from the description below. In Time to Live or TTL, set this to the lowest value you can. I usually put 300. Save the record. We'll check that it's working properly after the next step. In this step, we're setting up DKIM, the digital wax seal. We're going to go to your Google Workspace admin console. From here, select Apps, Google Workspace, Gmail. Scroll down and click on Authenticate Email. If the status doesn't say Authenticating with DKIM, click Generate New Record. Google will create a DKIM key for you. Copy that full text string. Head back to your DNS manager and add another text record. Under Name or Host, type this phrase exactly, and again you can copy and paste it from the description below. In Value, paste that long string that you just copied from the Google Workspace admin console. And again, for Time to Live or TTL, set it to 300 if possible, or the lowest value that you can. Save the record. Now go back to your Google Workspace admin console and click Start Authentication. If you get an error message, don't worry. It can sometimes take a few minutes for these DNS changes to update across the internet. Just step away, grab a coffee, and try Start Authentication again when you come back. And how will you know it's worked? Well, the status will change from not authenticating to authenticating. And to confirm your SPF record is now working, go to mxtoolbox.com. Enter your full domain name and click on MX Checkup. Then click on the down arrow and select SPF Record Lookup. You'll see the SPF record at the top of the page and a list of green ticks further down the page. That's it. Your SPF approval list and your DKIM wax seal are now both in place.